Procedures in logo. Dear children, you must have observed that some basic shapes like square, rectangle, triangle and circle are used in many figures. And every time you need to draw these shapes, you have to write the primitive for it. To avoid this, you can use procedures in logo. Using procedures, you can record the sequence of primitives to draw a shape by a name called procedure name, and just use the procedure name wherever you want to use that shape. What is a procedure? A procedure is a set of primitives written to draw a figure and is stored by a name. 2 stairs. CS. Repeat for bracket FD20, RT90, FD20, LT90 bracket closed. PU. RT90. PD. Repeat for bracket open FD20, RT90, FD20, LT90 bracket closed. End. Stairs defined. Set of creating procedures in logo. To create a procedure in logo, type the primitives to draw a figure in the body of the procedure. A procedure is created as follows. 2. Procedure name. Primitives. End. Example 1. Suppose we have to define a procedure to draw a rectangle. Then, in the text area, we will write question mark space 2 rectangle. Note, the question mark changes to greater than sign. End command is used to end a procedure. Body of procedure. To run a procedure, type its name and press enter key. Remember, give space between the word to and the procedure name. Generally, name of the figure is given as procedure name. It is not necessary to write the full name of the figure. Use short forms like RECT, RE or R to draw. Example 2. Procedure to draw a square. CS. To square. Repeat for open bracket FD50, RT90 bracket close. End. Squared. You must be thinking, what is the use of following this procedure when the turtle can draw by simply writing the concerned primitives? The procedure name can be used as a command later on whenever required till the computer is on. This works as any other primitive of logo like forward, back, etc. Using procedures. The procedures defined earlier can be used in other procedures also. Suppose you have already drawn a rectangle and a square using procedure on your computer. And if you're interested to draw a rectangle enclosing a square, then there will be no need to write the primitives for both figures again. And instead, you can use the names of procedures of square and rectangle as commands. Step 1. Write the procedure for drawing a rectangle. Type a question mark, give a space and write 2 rectangle. Type the greater than sign, give a space, then type repeat 2 open bracket FD30, RT90, FD50, RT. Step 2. Write the procedure for drawing a square. Question mark 2 square. Greater than sign, repeat 4 open bracket FD50, RT90 close bracket. End. Square defined. Finally, we can write the final procedure for our design as 2 design, square, PU, FD10, LT90, FD10, RT90, rectangle, end. Press enter. Greater than sign, design defined, enter. Question mark sign, design, enter. Thus, we've drawn our design by breaking up our procedure into small. Suppose primitives of square have been written incorrectly. Then it is easy to change them in the procedure for square instead of making the corrections in the sequence of primitives written for the whole design altogether. End of chapter. Click here to go to the next chapter.